In this tutorial, you will learn 1. What is spamming? 2. How to spam Chase Bank and any site. 3. How to spam fulls, credit card, SSN and so on. 4. Tools for spamming and their usefulness and many more. Let's talk about what spamming is all about. What is spamming? Spamming is making use of a scampage clone of the site we want to spam, to personal information from our victim or to steal their credit card, fulls, bank log, PayPal balance, Amazon account, shop with script account, Bitcoin and so on. Why do we spam? Spamming is very important and it's the backbone of loading and carding. Without spamming you won't be able to get credit card, bank log, checks and so on. 1. Bank login. 2. Credit card info. 3. Fulls. Name, address, SSN. 4. Checks. 5. Dating accounts. 6. Bitcoin accounts. 7. PayPal balance and so on. And so on. Spamming is unethical. This tutorial is for educational purposes. Please, click the subscriber button to subscribe to my YouTube account, like and share. Tools for spamming. You can't farm without using a hoe or cutlass, likewise you can't spam without using the right and valid tools. I will be listing the necessary tools scammers use to spam and get results faster, so be vigilant. 1. HTTPS panel last for a month. 2. Mailer you will be getting 3 from me. 3. SMTP. 4. Scampage you will be getting 15 updated valid page. 5. Scam letter. 6. Mailist mails of our victims. 7. VPNO or RDP recommended. 8. Valid email checker Chase, PayPal, Apple, Amazon, Office 365. Cpanel is a web-based server where we upload our scampage for it to be visible online. So without cpanel, we won't be able to upload our scampage. Your cpanel always comes with a domain name. What is a domain name? A domain name is your website name. Think of a domain name as an address where internet users can access your website. We access our scampage through our domain name after it's been uploaded to mailer, and SMTP mailer is used for sending mail scam letter or fake mail to our victim. Mailer is a crucial tool when it comes to spamming. Without it we won't be able to send mails, therefore our victims won't receive anything from us. What is the purpose of the SMTP? An SMTP simple mail transfer protocol server is an email server that's primary purpose is to send, receive, and or relay outgoing mail between email senders and receivers. Note: mailer and SMTP works together. You can't send an email with your mailer if there is no SMTP. SMTP is responsible for your mail delivery. It determines if your mail will enter inbox or spam. I hope you understand. SMTP comes in this format: SMTP server port, username, password. Scampage and scam letter. Scampage is the clone, copy, or duplicate of the original page. For example, if we want to spam Chase Bank, we get a Chase scampage, which looks exactly like the original Chase Bank site. Likewise, PayPal, Netflix, or whatever we want to spam, it will be the exact copy of the original page.